Just got done watching The Exorcist Believer from 2023. It's 1 hour and 54 minutes long. It is the newest movie in the Exorcist series or Exorcist genre. For this one, I really feel like I enjoyed it until they started the exorcism. And then at that point, it just really started to kind of fall away from me. Yeah. So I'd say the first half of the movie I really enjoyed. The second half of the movie I felt a bit let down by. The story was okay. It was a different take on, like, the circumstances and everything, but not one I'd watch again, and I'd probably do like a 3 out of 4 stars. So I will link it below. If you've seen The Exorcist Believer, let me know what you thought of it. Lisa, what did you think?
Not the same. It just got kind of silly at the ending with the exorcism and stuff. So I don't know. I would say 3 out of 5 at most.
Yeah, like I said, if you're into this genre, check it out. You might enjoy it more than I did. But for me, the second half just, I don't know, it just didn't feel like it had the same interest that the first half did. And I think the second half is where it's supposed to actually be more interesting. But yeah, if you've seen this, let me know what you thought of it. And if you have not seen this yet, have you seen any of the Exorcist movies? Let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.